Hello survivors, hi family and friends. This is Roy from Bootsy Sweetheart's Guide to Life and Other Disappointing Experiences with the continuing disappointing experience of bathroom construction. This is my third video in the series. Take a look at what's happening now after 5 weeks. So it's been 5 weeks and tiling is done, and there's some other major parts of this project that are finished, but it's been very difficult. Thank goodness we have friends and family and neighbors who are helping us out, since we only have one bathroom in the house and that is out of service. We were fortunate to go away for 1 week and come back to some progress, which was nice. I think the biggest problem we have is never knowing whether someone is coming to work on the house. There are a lot of pieces to this, a lot of different craftspeople who have to do their trade. And for example, yesterday we waited for the plumber, and they came at 1 o'clock. We didn't know when they were coming. Today we've been waiting and waiting and waiting, and it's noon and no one is here. So that's the worst of it. But let me show you where we are in the project, and I'm almost ready to get back into crafting as soon as we unseal all the rooms. So here's what the rooms still look like. We keep things covered most of the time and uncover them just as we need it. We keep the sofa covered, chairs, everything. The dust gets into everything, and it's an oily kind of dust, so it sticks to everything. Now here we have some of the cabinetry is open because we need to live and use our house, use our dishes, use our glasses. The living room is a staging area for supplies, and you'll see after this video is taken we've got some more deliveries. You can see we're just back from vacation. We have one more suitcase to empty. I've opened up the upstairs entryway, but I don't want to track in any more dust than I have to. There's Alexa. She's sitting there saying, "What is going on? What is happening?" John does his best to vacuum sometimes twice a day just to keep ahead of the mess. This is our little hallway. And here we go into the bathroom, and you can see the floor is a beautiful tile pattern. The walls are going to be painted. That little alcove next to the shower is where a linen cabinet's going to go. The vanity will be there, and here is the pride of the whole bathroom. We really went all out for a nice shower. Medicine cabinet, and there'll be another cabinet there. I think we have to supply all the painting. I don't think they do the painting. The garage is a mess. Here's the countertop, really pretty. But you can see that anything I want to do in the garage, anything I want to put in the garage, can't be put there. That's the medicine cabinet there, the leftover tiles. And then we have the dumpster filled to overflowing, and I don't know, we're not done with creating a mess, so I'm not sure where they're going to put the rest of it. So this is basically 5 weeks of progress. Here the linen cabinet arrived. That will go in that little niche, that little corner that's open. And you can also see in the next picture here, the vanity did arrive, and that's going to go there. It's really going to be very pretty. So this is the trials and tribulations of someone wanting to craft but waiting for the bathroom to be finished. But it's looking good, thank goodness. I hope this little tour gives you a feeling of what a construction project might be if you haven't had one done in your home, I can tell you from experience that this will probably be the last major construction renovation in our house. I'm done. This will not happen again. But thank you for viewing. Thank you for sticking with me. And thank you all for the encouragement. Everybody has been so encouraging and say, wait till you see what it's like when it's done. Well, it will be beautiful, and it's already starting to look beautiful. And in the scope of things in the world, and all of the things that are going on to the world, I feel very, very, very blessed that we are able to even do this project. So my complaining is really whistling in the air, in the wind rather, whistling in the wind. And I'm really very, very, very happy that we're able to do this kind of things. So for now, I will say, enjoy the end of this season. I hope you have some good weather at the end of the summer, and bye for now.